Today's lesson, looking at statistical questions. A statistical question is one that has many different or variable answers. A non-statistical question is one that has a single answer. An example of a statistical question is, how many Instagram followers does a typical celebrity have? Well, every celebrity is going to be able to give a different number for that. So you have a variety of answers. A non-statistical question, how many people are currently on the San Jose Sharks hockey team, is a finite answer. There is only one answer you can give for that. That makes that a non-statistical question. How many days are in March? Well, this question is not statistical. The question is simply answered by counting the number of days in March, which produces a single answer. This question is not answered by collecting data that vary. How old is your dog? Again, this is not statistical. The question is answered by a single number. On average, how old are the dogs that live on this street? This is a statistical question. There are multiple dogs with multiple ages. So you're collecting data on this topic. What proportion of the students at your school like watermelons? Again, this is a statistical question. Students may answer yes, students may answer no, but you're going to get a lot of yeses and nos. Do you like watermelons? This is not statistical. Anytime they're asking a personal preference of just one person, it's not statistical. How many bricks are in this wall? Again, it's not statistical. You're going to count the bricks, and there's going to be a specific number. What was the temperature at noon today at City Hall? Again, this is not statistical. It is a specific number that was given for that day. So statistical questions are things that we collect data about. Collecting data means that there are multiple answers. Each piece of data could be different. Variability equals answers that can vary or are different. There is no set answer or pattern. For the following questions, write down whether it's a statistical question or not. You can circle yes or no. How old is each person in the 6th grade? Yes, this is a statistical question because you're going to get multiple answers. The majority will be 11 or 12, but we might have a few 10, we might have a few 13. How many lunches were served in the cafeteria this week? No, they're going to count them up and give you one number. How much farther can Max run than Jaden? This again is not a statistical question. What were the weights of the dogs in the dog show last Sunday? Yes, this is a statistical question because you're going to have multiple answers for all the different dogs. So remember, non-statistical questions, we're not talking about statistics then. We're talking about just one answer. There's only one answer and it's either right or wrong. Is this a statistical question or not? What is 57 plus 21? No, that has one answer, so it's not statistical. Can Sally run 45 miles this week? No, again, that's not statistical. It's either a yes or a no, and she either does it or she doesn't. How much does each of the football players on the team weigh? Yes, this one is statistical because you're collecting the numbers of all the different football players. Now you can do things with them, like average them. Who weighs the most on the football team? This is not statistical as it is just one answer.